the new Ortur Laser Master 3 10-watt engraver and cutting machine. Inside you will find the installation manual and a helpful tips leaflet. Okay, inside the box you will notice that everything is very well packaged and kept in place securely. Nice job, Ortur. Okay, so now I will show you exactly what you will get for your money. First thing you notice is that the build quality is of a very high standard, using custom aluminium extruded side rails and robust front and back aluminium frames. To assemble the Laser Master 3 is very easy, and it should take about 30 minutes to complete. The most important part of all this is the 10-watt laser module. It's a lot smaller and lighter than I expected. How did they get all that power into something this small? Next, we see the Wi-Fi connector, power connector, and USB port. On the inside of the front frame, we find the SD card slot, input-output connector, main wiring connector, and the Y motor connector. On the top right-hand side of the front frame, we see the on-off power button, safety key lock, and emergency stop button. On the back frame at the top left, you see the rotary enable-disable switch, and below that the rotary cable socket. Now that makes life so much easier. In the next shots, you can clearly see the build quality and attention to detail of the side rails and the main X and Y axis laser module moving gantry. This is a vast improvement over the Laser Master 2 Pro. And now for the parts list. Main drive belt, Wi-Fi antenna, air assist and thumb screw for the laser vertical adjustment. Now we have a USB to USB cable, power cable, and the air assist tubing which goes to the air pump, pump not included. Now for me this is a very important part. The laser glasses which can now fit over my prescription glasses and do not restrict my viewing. And they also kill all blue light. Bonus! Here we have the main power unit, a very handy little storage box, and some more cables to be connected. I like this little storage box, and for sure it will come in handy.